Here we have a 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and you'll also find we do have the red M Sport brake calipers behind. You'll then find the carbon black exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills and front splitter. And performance kit on this vehicle, so as we come around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you've got the shark fin antennae. We do also have front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, along with a visual display inside. Around to the back you can see rear diffuser. We also have the quad tip exhaust, and if you press this button as well on the remote, you'll find the boot will pop open just like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space. Just go quite far back. As we take a closer look inside, you'll also find the extra storage pocket here on the left. We also have more storage underneath here, which is currently holding the charger, as this vehicle is a hybrid. Handle underneath here, so we can pull the boot back down. And walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the interior, we'll have a look at the back first. You'll find the leather seats. We do have the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. The blue stitching on the leather, you can see just there. You may be able to see as well ambient lighting running across the doors. We also have the vents down there for the rear passengers, electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats with the blue stitching. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable, and they're also both heated as well. As you can see, electrically adjustable. We do have the electric mirrors and electric windows. Got the automatic lights down here, automatic wipers, and a multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside. You find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will turn on. Got the speed meter and the cruise control button here on the left, along with the phone connectivity volume buttons on the right, and paddle shifters as well either side. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. We also have the main infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here, you would have seen all on the photos. So it's currently showing the sat nav, but if you go through them, you've got the shortcut buttons down here for the media, which is where you find the radio stations, but we go over to the left, you've got all the different other media options to go through. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. If we go on to the settings, go on to the lights, you'll find the interior ambient lighting. Plenty of colours on here, as you can see, which you can go through. We also have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Moving further down, you've got the vents. You'll also find the climate control, heated seats either side, ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as it should do. Inside of here, you find the two cup holders along with the storage space, USB ports, and 12-volt connectivity. We then have the automatic gearbox, which just had the different drive modes. You can press these buttons just here and quickly switch through the different drive modes. Also changes the display on the dashboard depending on which drive mode you're in. Putting the vehicle into reverse, you'll find the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake, auto hold button, and finally the leather armrest just here, which can be opened up for more storage. That's all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left, but to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and the speed meter buttons on the left, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Now we are just approaching a junction, so we're slowing down. We just put our right indicator on, approach the junction, and then make sure it's safe to turn right. So just going to wait for these cars to go. So turning right, and then I'm going to continue like normal, get up to speed with the automatic gearbox. You also have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you want to stick the car into manual mode. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any wanted knocks or bangs. We also have the leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, could easily do 2, 3, over 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, perfect for these cold winter mornings. We also have the ambient lighting which runs all throughout the interior. You see it across the doors and also across the dashboard. Really makes the interior a nice place to be. It looks really nice at night time. We also have the main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat-nav. Plenty more features on there though, you would have seen on the photos. For example, the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Now we also have the climate control just below there, which has the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We are just going to take another right-hand turn just in a moment, so we're going to put our right indicator on again. And as we come up to the turn, we're going to make sure it's safe to turn right. Just wait for these cars to go past, and then we're going to turn it right just in a moment. Let this last car go, and then we're going to turn right onto Groby Road. I'm going to accelerate again, get up to speed, going through the gears, nice and smoothly with no issues. We also have the different drive modes on this vehicle. You can press the buttons just down here to switch between the drive modes. We are approaching a bend now, so I'm going to take it nice and steady, slow down, coming around the bend and approaching the dealership. We're going to put our left indicator on, slow right down, and then turning left onto the dealership. I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with one of some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.